So this is why you don't go grocery shopping when you're hungry. I went grocery shopping after work today, and when I tell you, I was struggling. Like, normally like cookies and like sweet things don't really call out to me that much, but this time all of the desserts, all the cinnamon rolls, the cakes, just calling out to me. But power through. Didn't get any sweet stuff, so we're still good, still on track. But it's just crazy, like how you feel will impact the way you think. If you're hungry, you're gonna get like all the crazy stuff. I did get some cheese croissants though, because the cheese croissants are good. Because actually, first of all, it's St. Patty's Day today, but I'm all dressed in black. But I am heading out because I'm attending a singles mixer St. Patty's Day type event. Just going with my friend, and we're just gonna go out, some drinks, meet people, mingle. But yeah, but I thought I'd show my outfit. Black, kind of like satiny shirt, really oversized and long and flowy, black jeans, and brown tall boots. I'm ready to have fun. Good morning. Yeah. So it is Saturday. I am just getting ready because I'm meeting my friends for brunch. The singles event was pretty good. It was fun. I made a couple new friends, and you know, for me, the first, because this is my second one. The first one I went to, I didn't go with the intention of finding the love of my life or finding a boyfriend or anything. I just went with an open mind. I'd never been to anything like that. I wasn't really sure what to expect, so I was quite nervous. But this time, I didn't go with the intention of finding a boyfriend either. But the first one, I made a friend, and she is one of the persons that I'm going out to brunch with today. And so this time, I also just wanted to just go with the open mind, meet new people, network, and, well, not really network, but like make new friends and new connections, and just really build my community that way. And it was good. My friend and I chatted all night with this like guy that had just moved to the city like 6 months ago, and it was his first time at one of these things. And then towards the end of the evening, there was this black girl. She had come in a little bit later, and she was just kind of standing by herself. And then I just went and like brought her into the group, and I think she really appreciated that. But it was, yeah, to me the goal is not to find someone to date. I feel like the chances of that happening at one of these things is pretty low. So like, I'm not really optimistic about that. I don't know if that sounds good or bad, but I just go with an open, I'm not like shutting it down either. You never know what's gonna happen. But at the same time, I have the expectations set pretty pretty well. But anyway, right now I'm just getting ready for brunch. We're going to OEB downtown. I've never been to the downtown location. Last year, my friend and I went to the location on the north in like University District. But I do need to leave my house like soon because I want to stop by a couple stores. So I'm gonna go to Bulk Barn and Dollarama before I head to brunch because I'm making 2 more things of cornbread this weekend for my brother and one of my friends. If you're watching this, the 2 of you, you know yourselves. You know yourselves. I've missed that though. I've missed like having like a nice frothy espresso. The mouthfeel is just exquisite. Love it.